Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to find the wireframes in GreenShift in WordPress-blocks. Okay, so we're here on our dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, let's scroll down and under Pages and click on Add New Page. Now, you can do this with an existing page already by clicking on Edit Page, but for purposes of this video, we're going to be starting off with a blank slate just so you can see that everything's clean. Now, on the upper right-hand side over here, we have this pancake-looking icon called GreenShift Helpers. Let's click on that and click on Templates. And we have wireframes. Now, these wireframes are, well, there's free ones, and there's the ones with the crowns on them. These are paid ones. But there are a few free ones to choose from, and the difference between these and layouts and sections is that they're a bit more bare compared to everything else. So there's how you find the wireframes in GreenShift in WordPress in Blocks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.